Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 151 of this My Lead Gen Secret challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, from a place called ClickBank, and we are using a service called My Lead Gen Secret System. All right. Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, please go back and watch these videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what I'm talking about and what we're doing and where we started from. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video, guys. We're on day number 151. I'm going to take you over here to the My Lead Gen Secret platform. Now, if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to have 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two on how many leads that you get is how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you can pretty much get as many accounts as you want. All right. Now, I wouldn't recommend going out and getting too many accounts because you will have to hold on to those accounts till they start making money. All right. So just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work, it does convert, and you guys can get started today if you want, if you need the extra income. All right. So there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secrets. Number one is going to be promoting the My Legion Secret system itself. Okay, so you can literally come in here by using your affiliate link right here. You can literally just come here to the affiliates tab and then click on the promo tools tab and then come down here and use these emails right here to promote the system itself. Okay, so you can just basically pick one of these emails, click on import, and what that'll do, you click on select all. What that's going to do, guys, is it's going to load the email up that we just got through clicking on. Okay, so what that does, you come down here, you click on perfect timing, and this is the email right here. Okay, it's ready to go out. So pretty much, if you scroll all the way down here to the bottom, your affiliate link is going to be right here. So that way, when this email goes out, our prospects just have to click on this link, and it's going to take them to our landing page, and we will get credit and get a sale for promoting the system. Okay, so that's going to be a way to, a popular way to make money with My Legion Secret. Now, the other way is going to be using a affiliate network such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of other CPA networks out there that you can use to make money with, okay, by using the My Legion Secret system. So those two are going to be the main ways to make money with the system, okay? Now, what we are doing for this challenge is we picked one of the affiliate networks to make money from, okay? And that's going to be a place called ClickBank. All right. Now, clickbank.com, it is a free service, is a free, affiliate network that you can go to and sign up today. Okay. If you wanted to sign up. But it's free, guys, for you guys to get started. And you can go literally sign up today and start using some of those offers today. Okay. And start, getting traffic to your links. Okay. To your affiliate links. All right. So those are going to be the popular ways to make money with the mailing system. Um, and the other thing is just another about the My Legion Secret. These leads that are coming in are business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people only care about making money online. Okay. So if you try to put some kind of, cooking, video, cooking email in front of them, okay, they're not going to respond. They're like, health and fitness, things like that. It has to be related to making money online, business opportunity. So, our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and look for offers that are related to making money online. So that's why we have picked ClickBank because they have a section. And ClickBank has tons of different niches. Okay, they have the health and fitness, the cooking, the self improvement, home improvement, whatever. Okay, they have tons of different niches. Okay, and also the most popular is going to be the e business, e marketing. Okay, and that's where we are using our business opportunity offers from. Okay. So with ClickBank, if you go to the e-business e-marketing section, there's about 3 or 4 different offers that you can use to promote your offers to this My Legion secret system. All right, and that's what we are using right now is ClickBank, and we're using the business opportunities from ClickBank. So I just wanted to show you the back office and what it would look like in the My Legion secret. So this is what your back office would look like. It's going to look exactly like mine. Okay, the only difference is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. That's the only difference. Okay. Now, another thing is whenever you go to ClickBank and you use one of those emails, they're going to look something kind of like this. Okay. So it's just going to be an email with the subject line. And then also there's going to be a body of text and there's going to be a clickable link that you're going to be able to click on. Okay. So pretty much you would just take one of these sentences and you would click on the link tab and you would insert your affiliate link into that link tab. That way, when this email goes out, all our prospects have to do is click on this link and it's going to take them to our affiliate page. That's really all we have to do, guys. Okay. That is our whole job, guys, is just to get this traffic over to our affiliate links. And then our affiliate links are going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So all we got to do is just get them there. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like and how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay. Now there's going to be 3 ways that you can send out an email in the My Legion secret. Okay. Number one is to just create an email. Okay. You can literally just come over here to the mailing system. You want to make sure you click on select all. And you want to just create a subject line. Um, you know, online. Okay, you can literally do that, right? And then come down here, click on perfect timing, and then, come in and do, whatever your email is, whatever, right? So pretty much that's what you can do. And then you would take your affiliate link. Let's just say I'm just doing stuff. You take your affiliate link and then you highlight it and then you click on this link tab right here and you insert the affiliate link in this URL right here, this box. So you want to paste in your URL for your affiliate network and you'll get those with the offer whenever you promote it. It's going to ask you to create a custom link and you put that link right here. And what that does, it turns, let's see here. Let me just go here. wtruefreedom.com. Okay. So if you come here, as you can see, guys, it turns this into a clickable link. Okay. That's what I was trying to show you guys. All right. So you come in here, guys, you write an email, you put your link in right there, right? And you say, your success. You get the idea, right? Okay, so that's going to be one way that you can send out an email is using your own emails, okay, or is creating an email on your own. The second one is going to be using a third party, AI service, using some kind of AI, Chat GPT or something like that to create your emails. Okay, that's another way to create your email. Okay. The other way is going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. So pretty much what you would do when you go to ClickBank, when you go to that e-business e-marketing section, there's going to be an affiliate page where it's going to have about 20 emails that are already pre-written. All you got to do is come and copy and paste them over. All right. So it's pretty much easy to do. And if you know how to copy and paste, you can do this, guys. So it's just nothing to it. All right. So that's pretty much those are the 3 ways that you would, send out an email with the mailing system. So that's going to be it, guys. It's pretty easy on how to send out an email. Okay. Now I've sent out some emails last night. Every 24 hours, you're going to be able to come here and send out emails every single day. Okay. And you can pick out when do you want to send your emails. When would be the best time, right? You can either do it early in the morning or you could do it late at night. Okay, I wouldn't recommend just doing it in broad afternoon or in the afternoon or something like that. I recommend either doing it right when before people get up or right when people are going to bed, or people are asleep. Okay, that's why I kind of like doing it. I like doing mines between like 10 or before midnight. I like sending my emails out. Okay, and I do it every single night. Okay, I got 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send those emails out. and then I can go off and do other stuff, making money opportunities, or watch movies, whatever, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email. So we did send those emails out last night. Let's go and go over to ClickBank, okay? And let's go ahead and check the results for what we did yesterday in the last 30 days, okay? So let's just go here, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and pick this right here, and then click on apply. All right. So as you can see here, guys, I like doing the last 30 days. That way you can see the algorithm, okay? These have been the sales that have been coming in. As you can see, it's been pretty consistent. Our algorithm looks like it's been like every day right here, and then every other day, right? Or every 2 days, okay? And this has been the algorithm for the last, few weeks, okay? Now, today, something did happen today where we went longer than 2 days without having a sale, okay? Which we did get a sale, I believe, a couple days ago or a day before yesterday. We did get a sale. We did get a sale on one of these days, so I'm sure we'll get a sale tomorrow. But we went 3 days without getting a sale. And that has not happened in a while. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just keep sending out my emails. It could just be, you know, someone didn't want to sign up or someone canceled or whatever, whatever could happen. But our whole idea here, guys, is to keep people getting signed up, okay? And we still keep making money, okay? So there's going to be times where you're not going to make sales every single day. You may go a day, you may go two, you may go three, okay? Which it looks like we did. This is the third day that we missed out on the sale, okay? So I'm going to keep sending emails, keep sending those emails out, keep grinding. And just another thing with these emails, guys, you want to just make sure that your emails are good, and you want to make sure that you're staying on top of your emails by sending them out every single day and creating really good ad copy. Okay, so that's what you want to concentrate on. Okay, but I'm not going to worry too much for it being the third day, but tomorrow I will come back here and we'll be looking, for some type of sale. Okay, so I'm kind of surprised that we went over 3 days without having the sale. Okay, so the cool thing about this program that we are promoting for the series is that it does have a rebill each and every month of $20. So, once someone signs in, the process of this offer is that somebody signs up for a free trial. Okay. Once they sign up for a free trial, they get billed for the program in 3 days. Okay. So after that 3 days, they will get billed for the program. And then we will earn a commission from that. And then also, we're going to earn a commission on the same day the next month. Okay. And what happens is that those $20 just keep stacking on top of each other. Okay. So the whole idea here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up. Okay. And get multiple people getting billed the $20 each and every month. Okay. That's the whole goal here, is to start stacking those payments, okay, on top of each other. All right. And so that way you'll start seeing these the $20 days, of course, that you're seeing them, and then you'll see the $40 days, the $60 days, $80 days, because those payments are going to start stacking on top of each other the further and further along that we get into this. Okay, now these are just my results. Okay, they're not your results. Obviously, you could have better results or worse results than I have. Okay, we are 5 months into this challenge. I mean, I've done these challenges before, and I've got made a lot more money than this, but I did start over just for you guys, just to show you from scratch what it would look like if you start over and start sending out emails from day one using a brand new offer. Okay. And that's kind of where we are right now. If we stay on top of this and if we just stick with this offer, okay, for a while, then we will start seeing a lot more sales coming in. And that's the thing. Like I said, all these accounts that you get, they're all not created equal. Okay, so what's working for you may not work for me. What's working for me may not work for you. Okay, but the one thing is, you do have to stay consistent, and then consistency is all a numbers game, guys. You keep sending out these emails. The more people that you got looking at your offers, then the more chance that you have getting a sale. Okay, so I just wanted to throw that out there. Now, sometimes I've seen, stuff take, a day or two, maybe a week, okay, maybe a couple weeks, maybe a month for things to start taking off, right? I've seen it last. Some people it took them maybe a couple months, maybe 3 to 6 months to start seeing some type of sales and start seeing stuff start to happen. Okay, so don't get discouraged if you don't see sales right off the bat. This is something that you do have to put work into. You have to, spend time. Like I said, it doesn't even take that long to send these emails out, but it's something that you have to do every single day in order to build these accounts up and to build this traffic up and build these clicks up to your affiliate page. Okay. Now, I wouldn't recommend just getting one account because it's going to take you forever to even get a sale or to, start seeing sales like this. I would recommend at least 2 or 3 accounts, so that way you can have those sales coming in every single those new sales, those new subscribers, excuse me, coming in every day, and you can get in front of those people and start, getting in front of those new subscribers and start getting that traffic and start getting those clicks to your affiliate page. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. If you come down here, right here, just click on more. Click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you over to the landing page so you guys can go ahead and get started. And if you come down here, you're going to see lots of different testimonials. Now, these are people that have signed up for the program. Like, I'm not the only one earning income here. Okay. There's other people that are making money with this system. Okay. So I just wanted to show you, I wanted to show you the testimonials from other people making money. Okay. So all you have to do is come here. There's a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. I'm not even going to go in details about that. It's $30 a month. I mean, come on, right? So I've been doing this, like I said, for a few years, guys. I've been with these accounts, paying my accounts, and I'm, doubled over than what I'm putting in. Okay, so that's a plus. Okay, so I mean, this is not some kind of get rich quick scheme or anything like that. Don't have, anything to sell you to make thousands of dollars or anything like that. This is just something that I came across that, I've seen someone else doing and I start doing it and I start making money, right? So, it's just that easy, guys. So, I'm no different from you. If you need the help, you need the extra income, this is going to be the extra income that you're going to be able to use to help pay maybe some extra bills that you need paid, okay, or keep some food on the table. All right, so I'm going to leave this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I sent out my emails already, so I will come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we'll go over those results for tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. Peace.